That I can't lose. Each painful but delightful.